Hey guys, you there guys?
Yeah,
Okay, the first pair we're gonna look at it's Nasdaq, right? As you could see that we had a possible height, which is the resistance of the market. And then the nearest one is there's someone who's moving and there's a bit of noise. Can you mute your mic? Because you're moving a lot. So guys, on the 4 hour you could see that the highest height and the lower low you have the levels there. So we're gonna go to the what we call the 1 hour. So when we get to the 1 hour, you could see that alright guys. Now you can put up your structure, which is one, two. On the third touch, that's where you were supposed to take your position. And then again, guys, if we come to the lower low, as seen, you have one, you have two prices to reach the third touch. So if price comes for the third touch, you're gonna be having good news. Gonna be having good news, and the structure is like this. But what are the chances of the structures to go down? What pattern can you spot here, guys?
Uptrend.
Sorry,
Uptrend.
rising channel.
try guessing. Try looking at it with more caution.
Rising wage.
Okay, you're sticking to rising wage.
Yeah.
That's why it says
No,
sometimes
it's a rising channel.
sometimes you need to see the unseen, guys. That's why they call me man under the boot.
Yeah, the gold.
So what do you see now?
It's a falling wedge.
Head and shoulder setup.
Oh yeah. Head and shoulder.
It's there in your eyes. You still wanna struggle. Okay, then we're gonna move to the 15. So when you get to the M15, scroll the chart, put the market in the place, nice place, touches, and then we have the trend, and then you just gotta fix there. But remember, with whatever we have here, price was on the similar place, and it did the similar thing previously, where price was like here. You see this move here, guys. This move it has happened before. And then even now it can also do what it happened. So when price had this move, what happened? We had the same movement, right, guys? So that head and shoulder set, sometimes it can be a head and shoulder that makes you or it wants you to be caught in the wrong side of the market. Because you had a structure like this before, here is it. And with the structure like that, what happened? Price decided to do what? To go with an impulse. So now we can expect price to do something like that. So if price does something like that, it means now price has changed its structure to what, from what we were about to have to like we're gonna be experiencing a double top.
Or bottom. Double top. Yeah.
So is it understandable, guys? Because there are the chances of price not breaking this level. Because if price breaks that level, then okay, you're gonna be looking at price. Price will reach your what, your resistance. So it's just I always say this, it's just a game of patience. So from there, you think price will sell. Guys, someone's making noise. Can you please mute yourself or do something with it? So okay, first we're gonna be having these until we wait for the right confirmation. So if this goes my way, I'm gonna be take profit around that level. But then again, if price decides to do this, I'm gonna be having my what? My SL somewhere around that level. So do you guys get the setup? or you don't get the setup.
Yeah,
Get a
I
set.
get we get the setup. But
There is
sorry,
a
man. Can you
We do. We do.
someone
hey
who said,
Manando?
yes, sir.
Can you please go back to 1 hour time frame? I wanna ask something.
Oh, man. If you were to guess where I met, guys, you wouldn't believe. I'm in this place. Yes, inside the car having Zoom session. You guys are chilling nicely in your rooms. Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, so can't we draw our trend line from that point where the rectangle passed through? Then we connect it to the wicks of
Wait,
the last point where
wait.
the
Yeah,
market is playing. No, down there, down there.
yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Then we draw it
Okay, let's
to
say
that point.
if I were to remove my trend line from that to this, it doesn't really
Yeah.
sit well with me because remember the rules of the trend line. A trend line has to touch how many touches? 2 to 3 touches. So here, this is the first one, right? Second one. So which means it's still correct. Even if I were to connect it from here, it's gonna be one. Okay, let's check. Remember, it was gonna go like this. So you see that it's messed up.
Okay, okay, I get you.
So when it's like this, then it's messed up. Like you follow the right line. But then when you have it like this, 1, 2, 3, that's what price is possible to do.
Okay.
Was that clear, guys?
Yeah.
So
You know, as time goes, like I keep involving my strategy with blogs and stuff because um I really like check because if you were to see price when price reach this level where I'm waiting for it, you can see that price never broke that level. So we're just gonna wait for price to reach that level there at top, and then we're gonna take that and we come here. After everything is fulfilled, this will be what we're gonna be looking at. So I'm saying here now, you just have to wait and this and like wait for a proper confirmation because price can come touch the third touch and then we go up. So is everything clear, guys, about this pass? I need more clarifications.
It's clear.
Then that was Nasdaq. So which pair can I go to?
USDK.
USDK. But I'm not a fan of currencies, because hey, currencies, bro.
check your state, bro.
As someone said, USDK. So let me accommodate person.
Okay.
I'm not a fan of currencies anymore. Guys, I only trade like, is it one in a week? It's if you see, I'm not that active. I think I trade once or twice a week, and then I make enough. So okay, higher height as always, right? So guys, this higher height, the way I highlight them is it just replaced the horizontal raise. It's still basically the same strategy. So don't get it wrong. Because I agree back then we just used to say higher height with the trend line, lower low with the you understand. So don't get twisted and say it's change of strategy. So trend we had the higher height and the lower low, and you could see that price gave you a double top here. Understand? So this was going to be the reason of your entry on why you entered the cell. And again, we can come with the horizontal again, horizontal. So now there was what? There was a breakout. There was a break, so you could have entered here. First entry, and then second entry on the break, price goes with an impulse. It was a long one, and then this. What type of a flag is this, guys? What type of a flag is this?
It's a
Continuation flag.
Sorry?
Continuation flag.
Yeah, it's a continuation flag to the downside. It can also be called a steep flag. It's steep flag. Steep flag. You understand? There's flat flag and then there's steep flag. So basically, what's really happening on the current market price, it's the same as what happened on the upper level. So we had these, right? So check again. So what I do is I can just take this. I have it now, put it there. So after having it like this, what did price do? Price decided to give me a what? Impulse. Price gave me an impulse to which direction? To the downside. So now I have to reach my what? 90% rule. Now guys, when it comes to the skill, I don't see anyone. I do see this price action boys, but me, I'm last number boy. uh, have, have you ever like respected yourself? Like I'm in a point in my life I'm respecting myself. Like it's just beyond it. You feel me? Like it's just beyond me.
Yeah.
But do you guys get everything I did? So if you don't get it, we can work on it. You know, you need to get it. You have to get it. You understand so far on like how I go to everything.
Yeah, we understand.
You know, guys, I like telling people most of the time that okay, bro, like when you don't understand something, say it, you know, because it's useless to say understand when you know you don't understand. Get what I'm saying? I feel like a lot of you guys can do this, can what can you? Oh, this is your state. I feel like a lot of you guys can trade, but then you can't execute. Understand? You can trade, but you can't do what? You can't execute. Execution is what kills a lot of people. Let's look at USDT, guys,
So,
on this level, right?
sorry, man. Sorry, man. I don't understand the word execute. What do you mean by execute?
Execute is, I mean, like entering the market. You guys are good. We have people who can trade, and we have those who can execute. You guys can trade, but you can't execute. I understand. Let's say, let's look at, let's look at, let's look at this. What do you call? Okay. Guys, I'm removing Ocean. Ocean, we'll see you on our next Zoom session. Okay, Slag is quiet now, at least. So, okay, guys, let's say you are in this scenario, right? You're still there, né, guys? And when you're in this scenario, it happens that price is somewhere around this level. How did price? Okay, guys, let's talk. How did price go up? Did price go up in a correction way or impulse way, starting from the lower low?
In an impulsive way.
So if it went up with an impulsive way, then price has to give you a what?
A correction.
So after a correction, what do you expect?
Another impulse.
So okay, I like how you answer. You show me that you know what you're talking about. So here's the situation. This setup. If I tell you that I'm still holding this setup, you wouldn't believe. 0.01 can be giving me, I think, around 20K now. That's what I'm saying. I'm not a full-time trader. So, okay, check. So, if you could have entered there, like you'll be chilling, looking at the market, you're in already, you're inside, you're not worried about anything. The only thing you're worried about is making money. You had an impulse, you have seen the structure. Price gave you an impulse and then correction. Then now you just have to do what? You just gotta go up with your impulse and then take the trade. That's it. Ran it. Money made. What's more? What is it that case it's just like really hard to get?
Hey, Manando,
Yes,
can I
sir.
ask you something?
You can.
Like how to spot an impulse?
How do you spot an impulse? An impulse is when the market is moving with the momentum, straight momentum. This is the definition of an impulse. You see this trend, like this trend, the way it is, that's an impulse. And then
Yes.
again, this is the definition of a correction. This is the definition of a correction in a simple way. And then this is a definition of an impulse. Do you understand it?
Okay, I get it. I get it.
So let's go to the real market. So in the real market, I'll take the correction out for you. This is the correction. You see how price moved? That's your correction.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna look for easy correction. An easy correction, yeah. The one that is easy where price was just moving sideways until okay, let me just use this one. Still perfect. But I wanted a different one. It's like there's no momentum at all. Price is moving sideways. If you can check the difference between the two structures, there's a very, 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 very big difference. Price has been moving nicely in a what? In an impulse way. And then price decided to move in a what? In a correction way. So if price was moving in an impulse and then now it moves in a correction, what do you expect after an impulse? As you can see, impulse, and then after the impulse, there's the what? There's the correction.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, I made you, I took you straight to baby peeps. If you fail to understand that, I don't know.
I get it.
You,
I get it.
you did understand.
Yeah, I'm getting it.
Yeah. If you do, then I'm happy. You know, guys, learning has to be fun, guys. You understand? Learning has to be fun. Like learning just has to be fun. Like if learning is not fun to you, then I don't know. I always try by all means to like make learning fun. Do you get what I'm saying? So, what question would you guys like to ask?
Manando,
Yes, sir.
I have a problem with pulling a sniper entry. I wanna learn a sniper entry. I just enter my orders and some of them they reverse against me and blow my account before heading to my direction. So I wanna learn a sniper entry. Would you mind teaching me that?
What's a sniper entry?
Sni- Sniper entry is more like entering a market. Yeah, when it is about to change direction.
When it's about to change direction, that's a sniper entry.
Yeah.
Sniper entry is an entry that's the best.
Yeah.
You're confused, but I understand you. I was just trying to make things difficult for you. Like I get your question. I wanted you to like think, hey, what is this guy saying? Because it's like it's playing with my mind. So I'm saying we need to make learning this thing. We need to make it fun. You understand, guys? Like learning has to be fun. Alright, so I'll show you a definition of a sniper entry. You're in a position, right? You know, 1, 2, 3s, right? I can use them as my sniper entries. This is the first touch, second touch, third touch. So, my dog, if you were to enter this position, in the third touch, you see how price is there, guys? You have 1, you have 2, you have 3. Correct? And then, like, let's say it says long. Obviously, on the third touch, I buy. That's what I was taught. I'll pay for my trading view so I can show you more often of these replays. Let's say something like this. So if I were to open 10 positions here, let's adjust the stop loss. Remember, when you talk about a sniper entry, you don't have to get to a loss of more than 500 in a trade, you understand? So if you were to execute there and then Ubuzibuma 5 position, and then that's how price went. What do you call that? Is that not a sniper entry?
I didn't hear you. Sorry. What did you say?
Is that not a sniper entry?
Yeah, it is.
It is a sniper entry. With what simple basic confirmations? First touch, second touch, and then we had the last touch, third touch. Which should happen to be a what? A sniper entry. Execute, relax, and let, and watch your money making money for you, if it makes sense. You get what I'm saying though, guys. Again, it's easy to get sniper entries, bro. But remember, when you get sniper entries, you're now trading as a risk entry trader. Understand? Because like 1, 2, 3 is just a risky way of trading. Just like here. Check the third touch. Always when I get the third touch, it's massive. It's hot. Yeah. Cashies are on the third touch, you understand? But you guys get what I'm saying? For you to get a sniper entry, you have to risk it all. You get me? We go to the what? To the risk entries. Is it clear, guys?
Yeah.
So, any more questions? Or you guys are sorted?
Yeah, I think we are sorted.
So, when can we do another Zoom session?
I'm not sure, but
Yeah, raise your opinion. You're not sure, but
maybe Thursday, Friday, or you do it once a week, or you just do it
no,
anytime.
anytime. For me, anytime is tea time.
Okay, maybe Thursday or Friday.
It's on Friday. You guys are good with the dates. If you want one tomorrow, we can still do one tomorrow. I don't mind. Today, man.
Yeah, I think we should do it tomorrow.
Like as in today, most we're talking about as in today because it's already 12.
Ish.
Let me
Oh,
check.
okay.
Yeah, I
Let
think
me check.
it will
It's
materialize.
today is Wednesday. We're doing it as in like Wednesday or Thursday.
Wednesday.
Okay, then.
Wednesday.
See you on the next Zoom session then.
Okay.
Wait.
I hope you guys learned a lot, and I hope you guys continue learning. May the best things come into your life. May you prosper. This year has to be a year of financial freedom, Buffett. It's nice knowing how to make money through forex. Some of us were the living testimony of the charts. So if I can do it, you can also do it. See you, guys.
All right,
Sure.
sure, man.